Alright, so we seen we were doing some modifications on the trailer. We ended up taking out the double stack washer dryer, putting in a single washer dryer because, as you saw, the washer just let go on us in our wonderful time in Greenwood, Nebraska, as we were fixing a lot of things to campers. So today's job is to build some shelves. We're going to put 2 shelves back in that pantry closet to take up the space the dryer used to take, which will give Bertha all kinds of room for extra storage. So anyways, pretty simple job. 2 29 by 24 shelves with the front on them, just so everything doesn't flip off. So pretty basic job, but here we go. Let's get started. Actually, I've already cheated. I already cut the mounting boards for inside. I just got to do some sanding, and then from there cut down the plywood to go, and then we've got to stain it all. So let's get this job done.
I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
So it's actually 24 and a half for my depth and 29 for my width, but I'm going to go 24 for depth because I just have a 4x4 sheet, so I don't know how I can get a extra inch out of it. So I'm just going to mark out. Let's see how well we do. Not even a nick. Nothing to do. That 24 right on the money. Sweet. Right, we finally got Bertha doing some work. She's out here staining all her new shelves for the pantry. What a job she does.
I'm shocked that he actually got the boards and stuff done for him.
Oh, listen to her. They've been done for like 4 days. She's finally staining them.
Oh,
Oh.
oh.
Oh. All right, finally staining half of them, as I did the first half, first sides. She's doing the back half.
And the reason I'm doing it is because I do a better job at it. I take my time, I make sure all the lines are even, the color matches, everything's good.
I will give her. She does do a better job than I do staining.
Alright, see?
I'm not arguing the point. You're such a stain master.
I is.
You is alright. Get these all stained, and I'll be able to get them all mounted up.
Yes, and I'll
Maybe.
have some more cupboard space,
Alright.
cabinet space.
Hopefully I'll be done by the end of the week. I'm just waiting for some parts to lock the new washing machine in place. Then I'll have her shelves in.
Yeah, baby.
Figured I'd show you the finished product. Bert couldn't wait. I barely had them in place and she was already putting stuff inside. So put pots and pans and surrounded them by paper towels so they don't shift. Garbage bags, toilet paper, more paper towels, and her stuff on top of the washer dryer. So she likes it. She's got 2 new shelves that are 24 by 29, so she's real happy to have more storage. And I think to really have that dryer gone from in here. I know I am happy to have the dryer gone, because now I can get to all the connections behind this. We don't have any major issues. So there it is. Shelves completed. On to the next tab. On to the next task. I'm sure she's got something else for me to do.